Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have been dying to play around with this new collection from Kiki London, which I recently purchased. It is their colour changing gel polishes. They didn't have any polishes like this on their site before, and there are 8 beautiful polishes in this whole collection as well. So it does have the quality sort of stamp of approval. It is 5-free, it's a vegan and cruelty free polish, and they really are a high quality polish. So here are the names of the polishes that you can see on screen. So you basically, whatever time of the year, you're going to be able to use these colour changing polishes, and you're going to have the hottest or the coolest nails all year round. So this is Exotic Mama, and it is absolutely gorgeous colour. So I'm just going to obviously quickly show you. So this is the polishes obviously in a cold state. So you're kind of already getting to see what they're going to look like beforehand. But yeah, I mean, I do love my colour changing polishes anyway. And then like I saw this collection, and like sometimes with a collection you might be like really loving some polishes but not all of them, but there isn't a polish in this collection that I don't love. Even the darker ones, I'm not normally a darker fan, but I think because it has a little bit of a shimmer and glitter in it, it makes it prettier. And obviously it changes colour as well dependent on whether you're hot or cold, or in a hot and cold environment. So I did get these while they were on the pre-sale. I've got a feeling that that's finished now, so hopefully you guys managed to benefit from that pre-sale, because it was a real good discount. But if not, then obviously you can just buy it at the normal price. But yeah, but I can't rave about this company and their polishes enough. Like, I've got quite a few from them now, and I have never been disappointed with their polishes. So obviously you would prep your nails ready for a gel manicure before you get to this point, and then you want to apply nice sort of thin and even coats. So obviously this is the first coat, and just look at that pigmentation, jelly babes. Isn't it just awesome? And now I know obviously that my fake pop stick things, whatever you want to call them, are white, so I don't know whether it would look massively different over your natural nail or not. But I can't, for me, this seems to be totally, like, really opaque, even in just one coat. So I'm going to apply the second coat now and cure that underneath my lamp. But isn't that just a gorgeous colour? Perfect for summer. It's super, super bright. So I'm just applying a top coat now. And this is a Kiki London top coat as well, and it has got a fantastic shine on it. I really love it. So this is how it looks. Obviously this is it in just like a normal sort of cold state, so you can see quite easily here which is hot and cold. So this is what the colour will turn into when it's in a warm state. So this is definitely a polish for the summer, because whether it's warm or cold, it is got that sort of really bright colour. And this is it obviously when it's cold. And it was very cold as well, jelly babes, with the ice cold water. So I'm going to try and do half and half now, just so you can kind of see both. I will be putting pictures on of all the polishes at the end of the video as well. But how gorgeous is that? I just love it. I love the pink and obviously the reddy tones that come through it. So yeah, so this is definitely one for the summer. So moving on now, you've got Tropical Peach, and it is this gorgeous sort of bright orangey colour in a cold state. So I'll show you the first coat on camera, but then the second coat and the top coat I do off camera. So this is kind of like the reveal. So this goes actually like a really nice sort of corally, pinky, peachy colour when warm. And then goes to like a nice bright orange. So again, I'm just going to do the half and half. So this could be, again, another summer mani, possibly a spring mani as well. But obviously with the orange as well, it can be okay for, because it's orange in a cold state, it can be okay for autumn. So moving on now, this is Sweet Charm. So obviously you can see it's quite dark in a cold state, but it does have a gorgeous sort of glitter shimmer going through it, which has blue tones to that. So I'm just going to go in a little bit closer. So this is gorgeous. So this is going to be good for sort of maybe sort of winter time of the year, because it is a bit of a colder colour. And I'm just gonna, just bear with me as I try and get this to warm up. Obviously with my fake nails I do have blue tack on underneath, so I think that is affecting this for some reason with this polish. But like I said, I do show pictures anyway at the end, so you will get to see it properly. So yeah, so this for me is definitely sort of like a winter colour, with like the blue shimmer glitter that comes through. So just bear with me while I do a half and half. But isn't that just an awesome like gradient look with those two colours? They go really nicely together. So I really like that. So obviously you can pick which one you want to wear, consider, you know, based on whether you've generally got warm hands all year round or cold hands all year round. So this is the next one. Again, absolutely love it. It again has got a gorgeous sort of glitter shimmer through it. So far all of these have been opaque in 2 coats, just in case you were wondering. So I absolutely love this. I love the tone of that sort of bluey, purpley colour when it is in a cold state. And then it goes to a gorgeous sort of like light pinky colour. Again, just bear with me while I try and get the whole nail to go to its warm state. This is the tricky part with colour temperature changing polishes, trying to show you like properly how it looks. So it does go to like a really lovely pinky colour when warm. So that's why I love this collection. Like, dependent on the temperature of the year, or like obviously of your skin naturally, you can wear these polishes all year round. And again, that is such a gorgeous gradient. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love how that looks. That pink and blue combo is amazing. So the next one is Mermaid Wave. So obviously it's got a sort of a bluey tone when it is cold. And again, this was 2 coats and it was totally opaque. So you kind of like, my hands were warming up at this point, keep going in in and out of the water, and obviously underneath the lamp as well. So when it is in a warm state, it kind of goes to more like a turquoisey light green colour, which hopefully you can see there. And then obviously it's a darker blue when it is cold. So again, this one can be for a summer design or spring, to be fair, with the colours that it goes with, especially when obviously it's warm. But I really like the different colours that it changes to, and it blows my mind that a gel polish can change to these 2 different colours. This is kind of what got me into gels in the first place, was the fact that there was these colour changing gel polishes, which is just like crazy. So as you know, if you follow me regularly, I've got quite a few polishes now from Kiki London. So I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about the quality of the polish as well. Like, I know that like nail techs themselves use these and actually use it in their salons. I think you can check them out on Kiki London's Instagram page or something like that. And as well, like on their website, it states that they provide 100% satisfaction guarantee. So that's quite a statement, isn't it, Jelly Babes? And basically they do offer a 28-day full return or refund policy if you're not happy with your purchase, which I can happily say that I've never had to do, because I have been over the moon with every single polish that has come from Kiki London. They have excellent customer service. They let you know what's going on with your order, kind of like every step of the way, and they communicate well with you. So yeah, so I mean, obviously there's lots of polishes out there, and like I stated earlier on in the video, they are 5-free and cruelty and vegan friendly as well. So they do, you know, the quality of the polish is something that's really important to them as a company, and they want to obviously have you know, good customer relations with you guys, and obviously, you know, they want your nails to be healthy and safe using their products, which I think you would definitely get. I've got to actually do a wear test on these. I think they do claim like 21 days? Have I got that right? Yeah, 21 days flawless nails. So I'll have to do a wear test on these. But I've been over the moon with them. Like, they do seem like a really nice quality polish. There's no horrible smells or anything when you open the bottle. They're really well pigmented. Like I say, totally opaque in 2 coats. And like, other than the wear test, or maybe I have done a wear test. Oh, I don't know. I can't remember. But yeah, but I have been so over the moon with with this company. Hence, I keep purchasing from them. Not that my bank balance is very happy about that. But yeah, but I just couldn't wait to get these, and I totally wanted to take advantage of the pre-sale sort of. Oh, okay. See, this is the blooper. I expected that to happen with every single one, so to be fair to Annie, I have for it to happen once, so I was quite impressed with. Yeah, but don't be alarmed, they were just stuck on with blue tack. So this is the last polish. So this one is a bit more of a subtle colour change, but there is definitely a colour change there. And what I do recommend is as well, after every like gel manicure, that you do use a cuticle oil. I have been using this for over 3 weeks now, and again, cannot rave about it enough. It has been absolutely amazing for me and my skin condition. I know I've mentioned this a lot in like recent videos, but yeah, I totally recommend that you check this out because it has been absolutely amazing for me. So here are some pictures that are on screen, so you're getting a half and half, just a little reminder before I leave you. So hopefully you guys love this collection as much as me, and like I say, the links and the discount code will be in the description box below, so please use those if you want to purchase this collection. Totally recommend it as it's amazing. But yeah, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, Jelly Babes.